Hi and welcome everyone. In this lesson, we will talk about the point. Point is very helpful in our electrical drawings. We will need it sometimes. So I will show you how can you put any point in a drawing. Simply, it's very easy. Just type P O, which is point like this, and put the point anywhere. Let's say here like this. You can see the point is very small. However, this point is very helpful. Now if I would like this point to be more visible, what I can do is simply go to utilities here and then go down to point style like this. So you can change the style of the point. Instead of having this dot, we can make it like this X, or we can make it like a plus sign, or we can make it like this. So let's say, for example, we use this and say, okay, you will see that our point is now more visible to us. If I do the same action again like this and put another point, you can see by default, every point will be like this. If I would like to return back to the original form, I will simply click on this and okay. So we return it to the previous form. Another thing that we would like to discuss in this lesson is the extension lines or construction lines or constructing lines, whatever it is. So how can I do them? You will understand right now. Simply type XL, which is extended line like this, and we have many options. Okay, so let's start with the first option, which is clicking using the mouse like this. If I click like this, you can see it gives us a very large or a very long extended line like this. So if I click anywhere like this, you will have lots of extended line. You click on space or skip to get out of this. You can see here, very large, that covers the whole scale of our drawing. Okay, very large line. Okay, let's delete this. Let's get like this once more and XL again. We have here horizontal lines. If I would like to draw a horizontal line, so I click on horizontal and draw like this horizontal lines. Skip or escape in order to escape from the keyboard in order to get out, or click on space on the keyboard. If you would like to repeat the same command in any AutoCAD drawing, simply type enter. So if I click on enter, you can see it repeated the last action, which is extended lines. Click on vertical, so it gives us vertical lines like this. Okay, then escape from the keyboard and Control A, then delete like this. Now let's repeat again XL like this, enter, and we have with a certain angle like this. So we can draw a line with certain angle, start from here, and if I would like it to be inclined by a certain angle like this, so we'll have this line, as you can see, inclined by a certain angle. Okay, that's the benefit of angle. Great. Delete this XL. We have also the bisect. What does bisect do? It helps us to draw two bisecting lines. So if I click on bisect like this, it will say, hey, draw the first one. So it will be like this. Then draw the starting point like this. Okay, you can see starting like this. Okay, then if I click, you can draw the second line like this. So now we will be able to draw several bisecting lines at the same, they are bisecting at the same point. Okay, then skip, Control A, delete, then XL, last action. In this one, we will look at offset. Offset, what does it do? If I have, let's say I have a line like this, let's control like this. Let's first have XL, draw any line, horizontal, for example, like this. Okay, and then skip. Now the benefit of offset is that if I would like to take this line and move it a little bit upward, or move it a little bit downward, but with a certain specific distance. Let's say I would like to move it 10 meters upward or 10 meters downward. How can I do this? Simply say XL and then offset like this. Specify the offset distance. So if I click from here until here for, let's say, 1000, like this. Okay, enter. So I requested an offset of 10,000 from this line. Then it says, hey, select the line object. So I selected this line. Now specify side to offset. You can offset the line from here to 1000 meters in this side, or 1000 meters in this side. So I will say this side, for example, like this. So you can see that it is offset by 1000. If I would like to repeat this, then select the same object like this and offset downward. Select the object and offset here, and so on. So it is offset by 1000. If I would like to make sure of this, simply I click on this and look at here. So if I go down here, here the scale is very large actually. Skip like this. Okay. Height like this, make it 1800. Okay, so as you can see, the scale is very large. That's why this text is very large like this. Okay, so we can make it more like this. Now it's 500, like for example, like this. You can see the distance. This distance is 1000. Okay, 1000 meters, as we have seen from the offset tool. Okay, don't worry, we'll learn about dimension and the text and its properties in the next lessons. Okay, so in the end, we learned in this lesson how to do extended lines. It can be helpful in electrical drawings, and we learned how to do horizontal, vertical, bisection, and vertical lines or extended lines with a certain angle.